Yo, moenie skraal nie. Hierdie is New Era bedding met 'n crazy special. 'n Dubbelbed met 'n basin vir net R2000. Maar wag, gooi nog 'n R1000 by, dan kry jy sommer die kopstuk ook. So, volg my, hier's nog. Let's go.
Hello everybody, my name is Richard Meyer and I manufactured beds for over 35 years, brought the boutique factory from Johannesburg right here to George. We're going to start off with the foundation. It's like building a house. When you lay cement, you have to use the right MPA. Come show them the quality. Come guys, come climb on this base. People, the difference between my base and everybody else's base, they're using 19mm slats and I'm using a 35mm slat. Look at this, guys. Is this bases or not? Hey, oh, look at this. A double base and mattress set for only 2,000 Rand. Just because it's cheap, it doesn't mean it's not quality. Design a double headboard with a double base set for only 3,000 Rand. Now that's unbeatable in the Western Cape. I strive on service, quality and price. Why is this factory unique? Because my name is Richard Meyer and I am the bed specialist. Thank you very much.
Nou met daai prys vat ek 2. Beste deel van dit alles, same day delivery, vinniger as McDonald's. So mense, kom maak 'n draai, kontak hulle nou. Jy gaan definitief spyt wees sê, almal koop 'n New Era bedding, want ons rede vir dit. Goeie prys en kwaliteit. Lekker.